Hi guys, welcome to ITPK. Today I'm gonna show you how you can download your YouTube videos legitimately from a YouTube website. Whether you want to keep a backup, edit your content, or repurpose it for other platform, I will walk you through each step. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So for this, please directly go to youtube.com and make sure you are signed in with your account into youtube.com. Once you are signed in youtube.com, please go directly here to YouTube Studio. So once you are in YouTube Studio, please go directly to content under dashboard, and in the content you will get all of the your videos list, short list, or you want to get them via playlists, you can go directly to playlists here. So for this example, let's go ahead to videos directly. And here, let's say we want to download any video from here. I will click here on the three dots and I can go directly to download. Once I click on download, this will ask me for the location to download this video. Let's download this video on desktop. Let's click save. So as I downloaded this single video, you can go ahead and download any video you want one by one. So let's go ahead and see the video that we have downloaded. Let's play it. That's perfect. The video is successfully downloaded with a good quality. So that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial on how to download your own videos from YouTube. Thanks for watching, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.